$20 is all he put in. That's interesting. That's really interesting. Well, honey, you know, I mean, yeah, $10 to make, 2 round trips was not enough anyways. Well, no, because Shannon said 36. Alright, that's fine. I gotta go in here and see US Express. I'm dropping off their truck, so. Alright, I love you. I can call you back in a few. What do you say there, hero? You want me to, where'd you go? You took off on me. Took off on me. Cool. Drove good, ran good. Surprisingly good fuel. Left you just above a quarter of a tank.
That'll work.
Full def. I know you guys got detail guys, but you know how much you want me to get all this on the floor?
Just get the main biggest part of the trash.
Well,
You don't leave a bunch of your trash in.
no shit, no. If there's guys doing that, they don't need to be.
Yeah, no, we normally don't have a big problem with it.
I'll leave you a couple of those packs or give them to the driver. See a little grease there, I'll take that off.
We don't worry about no small stuff.
No worries, there's your key. And let me get this real quick and I'll let you jump up here and take a gander.
Alright. Ain't too much worry about the floor and stuff like that, man. We're gonna get tracks in the floor.
Well,
As long as there ain't no whole bunch of trash or nothing,
No,
you
no.
know what I mean.
I had a little bit here. There is one thing I do want to get. Yeah, this one right here.
That'll work.
I think there was 1549 if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. 1542.
Or 42s or
Okay.
she come out of Mexico, so 400 when I picked her up. 410 actually.
Yeah. Alright. That'll work.
Your hose, your trailer hose is in the side box here.
Yeah.
Some wood dust, that's where I had the thing. One thing I do want to show you though before you sign off,
Okay.
back here, because obviously we had to cover it on here.
That'll work. That ain't enough to complain about.
Well,
To me, it ain't.
I always want to make sure that, you know,
Yeah.
before y'all sign off, you see what it is that you're actually getting there. I was surprised with, you know, being a 4 wide 97 foot long there that she was, I had 6'2" for a while. She averaged, I think, 5'9".
Yeah.
Not too shabby.
Yeah. Not bad at all.
No, I was rather impressed, actually.
Let's see, what was this 94106.
Grab that if over there. Say, I did got one dumb question for you.
Go ahead.
Well, that's a little high. I see these new 18s are coming for you guys.
Yeah.
They sit a little lower in the front.
Yep, got that extra part of the bumper.
Yeah.
I guess it's back there too, ain't it? Should be.
You might want to hop up here and see if it's in the sleeper there.
They normally are.
Want a cage bolt?
You can throw it in here. Throw it over here.
Well, it's not for this truck. It was an extra back yonder, and I just didn't throw it away.
Just on the truck you brought in, or did you bring 2 or 3 in?
No, I brought in 4, but I left 3 of them down in Rydell.
Oh, okay.
It's a Morgan Body Shop down there.
Okay.
She just happened to be the lead horse that they stand up. There's some others on the way to you here.
Okay.
I guess U.S. Decided to order throughout all their terminals.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is, right there. Your piece of your bumper.
Okay. All right, brother.
Hey, can I cut through the shop or?
Yeah, not a problem.
Oh, this duffel bag sucks up water, you know.
Yeah. That'll work, man.